Let's eat sugar cane.
It's been a couple of years since I had sugar cane. All you gotta do is slice off the thick outer layer, bite, and suck out all the juice. I feel like a panda bear. And another way you could eat this is by chopping this up even more so you have bite-sized pieces, taking a bite out of the sugar cane, sucking out all the juice, and then you just spit out the rest. And for those who don't know, sugar cane is also how you get a lot of popular different types of sugars, like concentrated cane sugar, also known as jaggery, also known as gur. And to make concentrated cane sugar, all you have to do is squeeze out all of the juice from a sugar cane, cook it down until it becomes thick, and then wait until it hardens. And lastly, another popular way that people like to use sugar cane is, again, just by making juice out of it. So you would push this through a machine, and then it'll just squeeze out all of the juice. You can even add some ginger and lime juice to it, and it's a pretty refreshing drink.